What's up, guys? Lance Prado. Picked up a new fly rod today. Super stoked to check it out. It's a Douglas Upstream Plus 5-weight. And this thing is super light, super nice. I'm excited to put this to the test. It's just starting to snow here in Minnesota. So let's get to it. Well, hiking up the river, just talked to one guy who said he fished for like 3 hours and only had one eat. So, not really what I wanted to hear, but the snow is starting to come down pretty heavy. It's looking pretty beautiful out here. But more so, excited to try out the new fly rod. This thing is super light. Spot's looking pretty good. I'm so excited to try out this new fly rod, I forgot my net. So, we'll see how things go today. The water is crystal clear. Got a little nymph rig set up. Man. See if we can get a fish to eat. Oh, false alarm. Caught a little stick. Lots of little caddis cases on this thing. Well, no, I'm getting down. That's good. There we go. There's a brown. Oh, there's a brown. Decent one too. Just check my flies after that fish, make sure you didn't break off. Using 5X and that size 20 midge. There's another one. There we go. This guy's got a fight in him. Woo! Oh, he came off too. Dang it. That was a nice one too. Alright, give this a couple more casts. Move on. There we go. It's another nice one. Hopefully we don't lose this guy. Come on, buddy, stay on. He doesn't even want to come up. Yeah, he's on the midge. Oh, I wish I had my net. Oh, he's a nice one. Super pretty colors. Nice fish. About 16 inches, brown trout. Ate the 22 midge. Very good. Alright, let him go. There you go, buddy. Alright, so I just caught that fish right back here. It's dumping snow. Covered in snow. And this is the first hole I've been to, and I've literally been here for like 20 minutes. It's snowing so hard. And back there is where I parked, and you can't even see it. There's so much snow. This is awesome. I love fishing like this. No one else is out on the river now. I think the snowstorm scared everybody off. It's the first warm day we've had in weeks. And it's warm, I mean by like it's 28 degrees and dumping snow in Minnesota. It's better than like negative 28, which it was like last week. And we saw one guy who just was taking off when I walked up, but I'm gonna keep fishing. I know there's more fish in here. I had 3 hookups. I might walk up to another hole and check it out, but I think I'll make a couple casts here, see if I can't get another one. There we go. He's just way over there. Come on, buddy. Wish I had my net today. Alright, here's the brown trout I caught. My GoPro's dead. This is so cold. Next to my new Douglas rod.